In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how can you get Spotify Student Premium account. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser and navigate to the website spotify.com. Provide your credentials and log into your account. You'll be directed to this page. Now head over to the option Manage your subscription. Now go ahead and click on the option Join Premium. To get access to premium version of Spotify, you'll need to use the website. Now here you're going to find different subscription plan. Navigate to the option Student, click on Try. Now you'll need to verify your Shiv ID, so click on Next. You'll need to fill out this form. Fill in your country, first name, last name, date of birth, and then click Verify My Student Status. Spotify will now verify your eligibility. Once verified, just follow the steps to complete your payment at the reduced student rate. And that's it. You have now signed up for Spotify Student Premium. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.